What's up, guys? I'm at some random carnival. I believe it's called Freedom Fest. Actually, it is called that, but not much to do around here. It really isn't. It's big and all, but there's not much to do. I was actually supposed to come here to meet a friend, but unfortunately I can't find that friend, so FML. Yay! They didn't even give me a spot to meet at or anything, so I feel kind of stupid right now, like I just got set up. I'm sure I didn't, but bad communication, just bad communication. I feel stupid. Yes, I did call for a ride. They're gonna be here soon, but it sucks. I was really hoping to meet up and hang out for a little bit with a couple good childhood friends. Just have some fun with some friends, and that ain't gonna work out now. Let's go walk around and be an idiot in public. Huh? Talk to a camera. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber, whatever. Don't know a single person here. Well, there was one person I saw earlier, but that ship sailed. I don't know them that well, and they were doing their own thing, so it's just kind of like, hi, bye. And sorry I'm not looking at the camera too much. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to focus on where I'm going. I really know this place. This first time I've ever been here, and this shit happens. Yay! Probably shouldn't say that with the cross there. My bad. Decent rides. From my perspective, they could be better, they could be worse, I don't know. I would have actually stuck by the entrance there, just waiting around, but I don't want to wait around too much. I would like to look around a little bit and give you guys a little tour of what I've been dealing with. Where the hell are you? I did it again. I did it again. That's the 5th time I've let that slip. Is this funny yet? No? Damn. Somebody slapped me. Just cussing in front of a cross. Somebody slapped me. Actually, do worse than that. Punch me. Maybe kick me in the balls. Whichever one's better. See if I can squeeze through this. Excuse me. Watch the person vlogging. Watch the person with the camera. Thank you. Sorry. Some decent music though. I'll tell you that. The music's not amazing, but it's pretty good. There's one song. I want to see if I can find those guys on YouTube. I think I heard their name right now. Oh my! Where have you been?
I wasn't able to get a hold.
I just called my dad and asked for a ride home. I didn't know if I was gonna find you at all.
Yeah, sorry. I was like, I had no way of contacting you and you had already left.
Never mind. Well, now I feel bad that I just called my dad and asked for a ride. Crap. Where's Ernie?
She's only 8 years old, but she knows the name of every nurse she sees.
I don't know, Randy, she's actually kind of good too.
When they thought she'd fade away, goes a fist up, hits her head up, feeling stronger.
I'm vlogging. Major vlogging photo. That's not even a photo bomb, that's a video bomb. I just got video bombs. What the? Uh-oh. We're getting stepped on again. Oh, never mind. My foot does not have to be broken.
Are there any fighters in Wisconsin tonight?
No, sorry.
One last
I'm just that guy.
You say
go. Don't break your neck. Oh, why are you gonna be awkward on camera now? Too many awkward people on camera. Come on. Let's go with it.
But it's about wanting to love and serve and give like Jesus, okay? I wanna love like you. I wanna serve like you. I wanna do like me. I wanna love like you. Lay down my life like you.
Best show ever.
That was
Woo!
Really short.
that's it.
I didn't even get to record. Oh wait.
This guy's so smoky.
I knew.
I gotta go so far back. How rude!
Denied.
I'm
We weren't having enough fun.
no. I need to listen to the whole thing to have fun. Yeah, but we're being a little
He's not
disrespectful.
having any fun today.
No, I'm having a horrible time.
You're having a horrible time.
Not wrong.
Oh.
Where do you post your vlogs?
Why are you torturing me? Why are you torturing me? What's going on? No, man, we're being horrible right now. We're listening to this while watching that.
Vlog for fun, or do you actually like put it on YouTube?
It actually goes on YouTube. I have 85 subscribers. Dang. Oh, I thought you were gonna high five me. Wow, I just. Oh my goodness! It can't be.
I don't think they'll be able to see you anyways in this vlog. It's too dark.
Is it? I don't know. You be the judge. Wait for the next one. Wait for the next one.
You can see your shadow.
Not bright enough. Not bright enough.
You're not bright enough.
No, I'm not. I'm just not bright. Period.
I'm kidding.
I'm not bright. Period. It's so hard.
Of the
Really?
fireworks. Yes, I went home and I had half of a circle of blackness. And I took it
Mom,
home.
how'd that get there? What is that? Oh, that's from the fireworks. What?
We could feel the debris falling on our faces.
That's terrible. World's longest fireworks show. Best grand finale ever.
They have too many fireworks.
What?
So much fireworks. How much money did they pay?
I don't know. I don't know if we'll make it out alive. There's so many.
9:30.
Holy moly. Oh my God. Okay. Woo! Longest fireworks show ever, come on. I know, I'm just rude and disgusting, I'm sorry. You alright? Look, that actually feels like you're getting shot. That's kind of cool.
No,
You okay?
I feel like you're just missing me.
You okay?
Yeah.
What? You all right? Go up and out. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Woo! I Snapchatted. Don't know if it's going through though. Oh no, is that it? That's it, isn't it? Dang it.
Look at the balloon! Fly into space balloon!
Go balloon, go! Alright guys, well, I don't know when I'm going to get to do my outro, and this is probably going to be the coolest place to do it right now, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace out, guys. Have a good night. Do you want to say something?
No, I'm good.
See you later, man. Bro, whatever your name is.
Chillax, chillax.
Good night, guys.